A major move in the sexual assault case dealing with the U.S. Naval Academy. The alleged victim is now suing to have the school superintendent removed from any involvement in this case. Greta Cruz is at the Navy Yard in Southeast Washington with these new allegations. Greta.
Well, Gordon, the lawsuit was filed in federal court today in Maryland. It seeks to have Academy Superintendent Michael Miller recuse himself from this case. It says that, right now, of course, Miller is awaiting the recommendation from that hearing officer. He has the final say on whether these three men will be court-martialed or not. But the lawsuit alleges that Michael Miller is biased, saying he cares more about himself and the school than the victim.
It's unfortunate that it has come to this.
But the attorney for the female Naval Academy midshipman, accusing three former Academy football players of sexually assaulting her, announced today a federal lawsuit aimed at protecting all such victims.
Their right to testify and to come forward without fear of intimidation, reprisal.
The suit demands Academy Superintendent Vice Admiral Michael Miller recuse himself from deciding the fate of the three men, saying Miller knew about the alleged attacks at an off-campus party, but took no action against the football players, and even launched a campaign to harm the reputation of the alleged victim. Burke says Miller knew about the Naval Academy's demeaning environment toward women.
For example, the term dubs, dumb, ugly bitches, is commonly used, so commonly that it's even used to refer to the Ben & Jerry's ice cream containers. They call them dubs tubs.
The suit says during the military hearing, the alleged victim was subjected to long and abusive questioning, and her rights were violated. Former Judge Advocate General Attorney Greg Rinke told us he doesn't think the superintendent is liable. The prosecutors failed to protect their client on the stand. Still,
defense attorneys always push the envelope on the rape shield rule. And I think that some of the questions that were asked were improper and should not have been allowed.
And as for residents near the Naval Academy,
I think it's hard for women in the military.
It's a horrible situation, and it grieves me deeply.
No comment yet from the Naval Academy, but Susan Burke did tell us today that her client, the accuser here, is resilient, but she says she's pretty much been shunned by everyone on campus. Apparently, people believing that she is besmirching the reputation of their beloved institution. Live at the Washington Navy Yard, Greta Cruz, ABC 7 News.